my another mall hopping mall tour in Davao today on a Friday. I'm here now. The next Davao Mall is no other than Gaisano Mental Davao. Here is the situation now. As usual, like the supermarket, it's a cozy, comfy place to shop. In as much as there are only few persons here or shoppers, you can glance 2 or 3 like that, and me also. Okay, this is my life in Davao, making exploration. Just looking, having window shopping will really give me tremendous gargantuan joy to my heart and mind. No stress. So if you're shopping like here, like the situation now we're in, there are only few people, really, it's really so comfy, so chilling, rejuvenating, revitalizing. Few people around. What shall we buy? We'll just have window shopping. In times like this, we need to buy only the basic prime commodities in our life. No luxury. Okay, this is my life in Davao. Can I go there, ma'am, ha? Mag-check lang ako ng shoes. What I missed. So I love red sandals, pula, or red shoes. Just like what I'm wearing now. I don't know if you have one. I think I am in the children's shoes department. Oh, so nice. But it's not for me. You just have shopping. Okay, this one is also nice. However, it's not my favorite color. I want red. Red is one. However, it's so small. Children will not fit for me. Let's look again the other side. Shoes. Looking for red shoes, but there's none. Or just the light shoes. I want just like this one, made of cloth, rain or shine. It's really durable. But I have not found one on this side. This is the situation now. It's already with Christmas tree, pine trees here. Here there's no guard. Gloves, nag-lunch. Just having my window shopping. I love also bags. My criteria of bags is there should be mini pockets, multiple pockets, and the color should be red one and light, big, spacious, so I can put everything.